Hey, lovely people. I'm Maya, and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Hi everyone, my name is Jessie, and I am your virtual presenter. I was created using free tools called Leonardo and Heygen. Let's dive into today's presentation.
If you want to create this AI talking avatar video, like the one you saw before, using free AI tools, so watch this video until the end. Step 1. Create a Leonardo account. We need Leonardo account to generate AI avatar. Click on Create an account. I will provide a link in the description. Just click on that link and log in with your name and email. I have already created a detailed tutorial on the Leonardo tool. You can watch that video by clicking on the I button or the video link in the description. Step 2. Generate AI avatar. To generate AI avatar, simply click on AI image generation. Now, I am just writing this prompt. I will provide this prompt in the description. Then, select the image style option 3D animation style and choose the number of images you want. Next, choose the aspect ratio you prefer. I am using 9:16. Then click on Generate. Now, download the images by clicking on the download icon. Step 3. Create a free AI talking avatar. To create a free talking AI avatar, I am using the Heygen AI Tool. To access this tool, click on the Try Heygen for free button to create a new Heygen AI account. I will provide a link in the description. Simply click on that link and log in with your email, Google, or Facebook account. Once you are logged into your account, you can create an AI avatar video using this tool. From the home screen, click on Uploading Talking Photo. Now, upload the image from your system. Then, click on Talking Photo. Next, click on Create Video and select either the landscape or portrait video option. If you want a full image portrait, you can right-click and select Circle View and Half Body. Now, adjust the image properly. Then select the talking style expressive and facial expression style happy. Now, copy and paste the script here. I will copy from a Word file. You can also upload your voice using the Upload Audio option from the Audio Script section, then set the language to English and choose a female voice for the AI model. You can preview the video by clicking the Preview button. Then, click on the Submit button and wait for a few seconds. The AI will generate a video for us. Now, our video is ready. Just click on the Download button. See the final video.
Hi everyone, my name is Jessie, and I am your virtual presenter. I was created using free tools called Leonardo and Heygen. Let's dive into today's presentation.
That's it for the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.